Before we start anything, let's think about how we can solve this question. The value of simple a is equal to e to the power of ln a. So here we can express the value of 2 as e to the power of ln 2. Then we can simplify the function 2 to the power of minus ln x and obtain the result e to the power of ln x to the power of minus ln 2. Since e to the power of ln a is equal to simple a, the value of e to the power of ln x is x, and we can get the result as x to the power of minus ln 2. Finally, using integral x to the power of n equals x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, we can simplify this integral. Clear? Let's jump into the question. Value of simple a equals e to the power of ln a. Using this equation, we can write 2 value as e to the power of ln 2. E to the power of ln 2 to the power of minus ln x value, we can write as e to the power of minus ln 2 times ln x. Minus ln 2 times ln x value, we can write as ln x times minus ln 2. A to the power of m times n, we can write as a to the power of m to the power of n. Using this equation, e to the power of ln x times minus ln 2 value, we can write as e to the power of ln x to the power of minus ln 2. E to the power of ln b value, we can write as b. So in here, e to the power of ln x value, we can write as x. Then we have x to the power of minus ln 2. Minus ln 2 is a constant value. We know integral x to the power of n value is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. Using this equation, we can get integral x to the power of minus ln 2 as x to the power of minus ln 2 plus 1 over minus ln 2 plus 1. In here, simple n value just like minus ln 2. Then we have final answer as x to the power of 1 minus ln 2 over 1 minus ln 2.